Alright, so same clothes again, I know. But what I wanted to do was I wanted to show you guys how the interior is coming along. So I didn't really make a good video of it or anything like that. I just went ahead and did it. But I never showed you guys the carpet before I left, and today I ended up finishing the door panels and pulling out the headliner for the car. But this is what it looks like right now. So this used to be that ugly ass fucking blue. Used to be this blue right here, but, or grayish blue, whatever the fuck you want to call it. I still gotta pull out the dash later. But here's the carpet. There's all the interior. Interior's like pretty much mint. Hold on. Yeah, I got the original Acura key fob. Door's all done as well. Door's all gloss black. You guys remember how fucking dirty that shit was? It's pretty fucking disgusting. But it's all good now. It's beautiful. One thing that I do have to do is I have to do something about the smell, because it still kind of smells like Louis, but it's no biggie. It happens. But yeah, everything all gloss black, all vacuumed out. I need to get floor mats, but dude, it looks pretty freaking good, except for that color mismatch. So tomorrow I'll probably be pulling out the dash, and then I gotta do something with this headliner. Now maybe you guys can help me or give me a personal opinion on what I should do exactly. But this headliner is freaking busted. And by busted, I mean, like, it's got the obvious dirt and stuff, but I don't know what exactly happened here. And it looks like claw marks, but I don't think they're claw marks. And I'm not sure what exactly I'm gonna do. I wanna lay probably some suede over it to hopefully help get the ugliness out of it. But I'm hoping, I'm worried about like the suede taking on those holes and it's showing up in the suede. Maybe if you guys know some like filler or something that I could use, that'd be greatly appreciated. But I'll probably be doing that project another day. On a bright side, I ended up going on Facebook Marketplace and I ended up seeing some goodies, and never been mounted. It's eBay. What can I do? I think they're function 7. No, they're not function 7. I think they're billet. But I got some LCAs, a subframe, and a camber kit. So I'll be installing that pretty soon. Yeah, I'm not sure which day yet, but I'll get it done. But alright, peace guys.